Modern life can feel mentally exhausting. Long screen time, noisy environments, and constant stress can slowly drain your mood and energy without you even noticing. But something as simple as indoor plants can actually help create a calmer and healthier mental environment inside your home. Studies suggest that being around plants may help reduce stress, improve focus, and create a more relaxing atmosphere. Some plants are known for improving air quality, while others simply make spaces feel more peaceful, cozy, and emotionally comforting. So in this video, we're looking at some of the best indoor plants that may help improve your mental health and make your home feel more peaceful every day. The snake plant, scientifically known as Dracaena trifasciata, is a hardy succulent species widely used as an indoor ornamental plant because of its upright structure and adaptability to indoor environments. One reason it is popular indoors is its extremely low maintenance requirements since it can tolerate long gaps between watering. This is because snake plants store moisture inside their thick leaves, allowing them to survive drought-like conditions. Snake plants can survive in low-light indoor conditions, making them suitable for bedrooms and indoor corners. Because of this adaptability, snake plants are commonly placed in bedrooms, hallways, and office corners. In interior design, natural greenery like snake plants is often used to create a visually calmer and more balanced environment. Research in environmental psychology suggests that exposure to natural elements like indoor plants may help reduce perceived stress and support relaxation. Because of its structured appearance, many people place snake plants in bedrooms to create a cleaner and more organized visual environment. In workspaces, snake plants are commonly used to reduce visual clutter and improve perceived focus in desk setups. This helps create a more focused and structured desk environment. Its resilience and low care requirements make it suitable for busy lifestyles where people may not have time for frequent plant maintenance. That's why the snake plant is widely used indoors. It adds structure, natural presence, and a simple calming visual element to everyday living spaces. Next is the peace lily plant. The peace lily, or spathiphyllum, is a common indoor plant known for its white blooms and dark green leaves, often used in homes and offices. It is known for its white spathe-like flower, which gives it a calm and soft visual appearance. Peace lilies can slightly increase indoor humidity through natural transpiration, which may improve comfort in dry indoor environments. Studies in environmental psychology suggest that indoor plants may help reduce perceived stress and improve comfort in indoor spaces. Because of its calming look and easy care, it is often placed in bedrooms, living rooms, and office spaces. Peace lilies are relatively easy to maintain, making them suitable for busy or stressful lifestyles. That's why the peace lily is widely used indoors. It adds a calm visual presence and supports a more relaxing indoor environment. Next plant is lavender. Lavender is a well-known aromatic plant, often used both as an ornamental herb and in wellness settings due to its distinct purple flowers and calming scent association. It is known for its purple flower spikes and natural aroma, which is widely used in relaxation and sleep-related products. Studies have linked lavender scent exposure with relaxation responses and improved sleep quality in some individuals. Lavender is commonly associated in wellness research with reduced anxiety and a calming effect on perceived stress levels. Because of its calming association, lavender is often placed in bedrooms, relaxation spaces, and wellness corners. Lavender is also widely used in oils, sprays, and dried arrangements due to its long-lasting natural scent. That's why lavender is widely used indoors. It supports a calming environment and is often associated with relaxation and better sleep routines. Next is pothos. Pothos is a popular indoor trailing plant known for its heart-shaped leaves and easy adaptability in home environments. Its long trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves make it one of the most recognizable indoor plants. It is widely known for being low maintenance and can survive in a variety of indoor lighting conditions. Exposure to indoor greenery like pothos may help create a more visually calming and less cluttered environment. It is often placed in hanging pots, shelves, or desks to add natural greenery indoors. Because of its durability, pothos is often recommended for beginners or people with busy schedules. Some studies on indoor plants suggest they may contribute to improved indoor environment comfort and perceived air quality. Its flowing vines create a natural visual rhythm that can make indoor spaces feel more relaxed. That's why pothos is widely used indoors. It is easy to care for, visually calming, and perfect for everyday home environments. Next is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its thick, fleshy green leaves that store gel and is commonly used in indoor home environments. It is recognized for its thick, water-storing leaves that help it survive dry indoor conditions. Aloe vera is often associated with healing and wellness due to its traditional use in skin and home care routines. Indoor plants like aloe vera may contribute to a more calming and visually balanced home environment. It is often placed in kitchens, bedrooms, and desks because it is easy to maintain and visually clean. Because it is a succulent, aloe vera requires minimal watering and is suitable for busy or simple lifestyles. Its clean and structured appearance can contribute to a fresh and organized indoor atmosphere. Its structured leaf pattern gives a sense of order and simplicity in indoor spaces. That's why aloe vera is widely used indoors. It is low maintenance, visually calming, and adds a natural sense of balance to home environments. Next is spider plants. Spider plants are popular indoor plants known for their long striped leaves and hanging baby plant offshoots. Its long striped leaves create a soft flowing appearance that makes indoor spaces feel more lively and natural. Spider plants are also recognized for their small hanging offshoots, often called baby spider plants. Spider plants are frequently included in indoor environment studies related to perceived freshness and indoor comfort. Indoor greenery like spider plants may help create a calmer and less visually stressful home environment. Because of their hanging growth pattern, spider plants are often placed on shelves, windows, and hanging baskets. Spider plants are easy to maintain, making them suitable for beginners and busy lifestyles. Their flowing leaves and hanging growth create natural movement that can make indoor spaces feel more alive. That's why spider plants are widely used indoors. They are easy to care for, visually refreshing, and bring natural energy into home environments. Last plant that can improve your mental health is Monstera. Monstera is a tropical indoor plant known for its large split leaves and strong visual presence in modern home interiors. Its large split leaves make it one of the most visually recognizable indoor plants. Large leafy indoor plants are often associated with stronger feelings of connection to nature in indoor environments. Research in environmental psychology suggests indoor greenery may help reduce perceived stress and support relaxation. Because of its bold appearance, Monstera is commonly used as a centerpiece plant in living rooms and creative spaces. Large foliage plants can help indoor spaces feel softer, calmer, and less visually empty. Monstera plants are also popular because they adapt well to indoor environments with indirect sunlight. Its wide tropical leaves create immersive greenery that can make indoor spaces feel more alive and relaxing. That's why Monstera is widely used indoors. It adds strong natural presence, calming greenery, and a deeper connection to nature inside the home. Plants may seem simple, but adding natural greenery indoors can help create environments that feel calmer, softer, and less stressful in everyday life. Research in environmental psychology continues to explore how indoor plants may support relaxation, reduce perceived stress, and improve overall indoor comfort. That's why plants are more than decoration. They can help make everyday spaces feel healthier, more peaceful, and more connected to nature. See you on the next one.